They accused him of unholy power, of working in the dark of the hour. But Jesus spoke with words so wise, revealing the truth behind their lies. How can Satan fight his own plan? A house divided will never stand. Evil can't cast out evil's flame. Unity and truth is my name. If a house is divided, it falls apart. Where there's no unity, there's no heart. Let love be the bond that makes you whole, His Spirit the anchor for every soul. If a house is divided, it won't survive, but in His kingdom we come alive. This isn't just about a fight or war. It's about the battles we can't ignore, the division inside the lines we draw, that keep us from grace, from His holy law. His kingdom calls for hearts to be one, forgiven and free in the love of the Son. To reject His Spirit is to close the door to life eternal, to something more. What walls have you built? What lines divide? What fears or doubts do you hide inside? Are you standing strong or falling apart? Have you let His love rebuild your heart? Do you trust His power to heal and restore? Will you open the door to something more? If a house is divided, it falls apart. When there's no unity, there's no heart. Let love be the bond that makes you whole, His Spirit the anchor for every soul. If a house is divided, it won't survive, but in His kingdom we come alive. The power of darkness cannot remain when hearts unite in His holy name. He's calling you to stand as one, forgiven, redeemed through Christ the Son. If a house is divided, it cannot stay. Unite with